Hi, I'm Tom Knoll, president of CIMI Corporation. Developers for enterprises who are trying to support mobile empowerment at point of activity have really been hampered by the collision of the BYOD movement and the need to develop some kind of platform consistency for whatever tools they offer their workers. And Oracle's come along with something that may be an example of a trend that could be emerging here, and if so, it could be very useful. The Oracle Application Development Framework is essentially a kind of a Java virtual machine middleware that's bound into the application image rather than installed on the mobile device as a separate runtime environment. And the reason why that's important is that Apple won't let developers put something on an iPhone or an iPad like a Java virtual machine. So what is being done by Oracle is to bind the virtual machine in with the application. What this does is it allows a developer to build an application for this lightweight, sometimes called headless Java virtual machine, have the JVM and the application distributed together as application code. And the Java Virtual Machine code, of course, would be different for an Apple platform versus an Android platform. And that allows you to accommodate the differences in the development environment and processor and so forth. So the value with this in the long run is that if this model works for something like Apple and like Android, it could also be made to work for RIM, it could be made to work for the Windows environment and so forth. As long as you have a kind of a middleware that's cohesively linked to the application image, you can distribute it as a single application, and by making it possible to change that middleware for each of the platforms, you can distribute portable code. So this could be really helpful because it'll bind with J2EE in the enterprise environment and give you a cohesive Java-based development environment end to end. Thank you. I'm Tom Knoll.